crafters, it's John. Thanks for joining in Guys Craft 2. So just got our package in from Amy Sews, which you know we did a post last month about the applique towels that she produces and that. Unfortunately, we have not done the, I'm assuming May towel, and so this one just showed up in the mail too. It is a subscription service. I really like being part of this subscription service and like what she sent. I just be honest, have not had a chance to get it over on to sit down and play with it a little bit. We did order some stuff from Joann Fabrics, some SF101 and some Peloton stuff. So we'll have the backings in that to start doing more of the applique work. So hopefully in the next few weeks we'll knock out both of these projects. I know when you join, you're able to go out on her site and hit the SFG or SVG files, so you can cut these out on your Cricut. We have a Cricut, so it's a matter of sitting down and kind of putting that together. I think more than anything is sometimes I procrastinate a lot on first-time projects. It's like, okay, if I've done it, then I can go back and do 20 of them and mimic it and just keep going. But the first time, it just seems like I always kind of drag my feet a little bit, so it is what it is. But let's take a look. This is, I'm going to say, their July patterns. And so it is a really cool, oh yeah, so this is definitely for the 4th of July. Again, it's part of Amy Sews. It's very reasonably priced. I will post it on the link down below, so you'll be able to go out and take a look if you want to yourself. This is the 2023. This looks to be very simple, so I may actually get this one done before I go back and do the other one. But that is what you're looking for. It is a nice red, white, and blue, meant to be for the 4th of July. Like I said, we just got this week, but it doesn't seem like there's going to be a lot of cutting and carrying on with this one. So we may actually knock that out. So as part of the package, you get the towel itself. When you go out on Amy Sews' site as part of your subscription, she has a special video where they actually go through step by step how to do this. So it's really beneficial, I think, especially for a newbie like me, to really spend a little time there and taking a look at what's there. But she provides everything. So here is the band to go across your towel. Once you do a trifold, here's the additional ribbons that you're going to need for the 3 pennants. And then she sends the fabric that you need. So you need 2 blue, you need 1 red, and you're going to need 3 stars. So the stars must be pretty small if I can get 3 out of this. I think it's going to be close. So I think it is going to require, yeah, I think I could actually get 4 out of this. So anyways, everything is there to make these, to put this on this towel. I think I like this because it's a lot of straight stitches. I really like the pattern. Last month had ice pops, ice cream sticks and that. It was cool, but it had a lot of cutting and matching and that needed to be done. This, for me, is probably a better one to cut my teeth on and get going. So we hopefully will get to this in the next week or so, get this all cut out, get it put together, and then we will post it on our Facebook page. So we're finding it's hard for us to still get the camera angles and get everything the way we think you would like to see it, especially when we're trying to sew, cut, and that. Part of the problem is I use half the house to do all of our crafting. I'm really fortunate that this spare bedroom was so large that most all of my equipment fits in here. So we've got the sewing machines, the serger, the embroiderer, all that in here, the long arm machine. But the other spare bedroom ends up being the ironing station. So we go in there back and forth throughout the day to iron. And then our utility room has a huge flat table to be able to cut everything on. And that's where you see us do some of the fabric, and we're rolling up and talking about our shopping sprees and that. That's where you see us, is in the utility room. But anyways, this is about Amy Sews. I really like this pattern for the 4th of July. Wish I'd gotten it a little bit earlier, since this is 4th of July weekend basically, but it doesn't matter. We keep this stuff up throughout July and the first part of August. So anxious to get this one done. When we do get it done, I'll post it over to the Facebook page. Guys Craft 2 is our Facebook page. Take a look and see how it turned out. I'm John. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Always, we look for any and every comment and we will respond back to you. Please hit the subscribe button and help support our channel and help us grow the audience. And again, until next time, happy crafting.